All right, y'all. Welcome back to Doriansdiyaudio. Back here in my new little office I have set up for myself, aka my wife's retired office. But we're gonna do some quick opening boxes. If you didn't see before, I just opened up some 3-inch mid ranges from MVX, the XQS3s. Pretty dope. Check those out if you need a set of 3-inch mid ranges that are very affordable. But anyway, right now what we're talking about is stereo integrity. All right, so I purchased these a while back ago. They did raise their prices, but you used to be able to catch these things on sale for $100 for the pair. I think if you catch them now on sale, they're like $150. So let's go ahead and check out these. These are the M25 MkII tweeters, right? So yeah, let's just go ahead and bust them open. We'll talk about everything else as we get around to it. Okay, so here, you guys look at it. All right, so what do we have here? Piece of paper, which we'll check out. Nice, simple S for the stereo integrity. It's pretty dope. I don't really put stickers on my vehicles, but I do love getting stickers. I like a ton of them. I need to start doing something with them. And then let's go ahead and bust these out. All right. So I'm only going to take one of them out of the box. All right. And there doesn't appear to be anything else in the box besides another tweeter. So before we get into this, let's just look and see what this piece of paper says. Thank you for purchasing these tweeters. We recommend a high pass crossover of 2200 or higher with an 18 dB per octave slope. Blah, 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 blah. Sweet. All right. And then there is some drawings with the appropriate sizes and stuff for you to be able to see. If you need that, we can also find that on the web. So let's go ahead and bust these out. Now, a lot of people really do say that these are really sweet tweeters and they sound really good. I've owned them for a while. I need to make a decision on what I'm going to be using because I'm going to start updating some stuff in the truck. But they're sweet and they come. So this is what they look like. And hopefully you guys get a good view of that. But it is a very sharp tweeter. Specifications on them from front to back, or from this mounting surface here, this mounting surface here to the back is 24 millimeters, which is right around that 1-inch mark. The overall diameter from end to end here, what you're seeing is 59 millimeters. Let's see if they have the equivalents for, and they don't have the equivalent. Sorry guys. I'll embed them for you. I'll bust them down for you, but and then this diameter here, which would be the cutout, is 52 millimeters. So you drill yourself a 52 millimeter hole, however, and then you can slide that in. You can take the thumb wheel, put it over, slide it in. Now these are sealed back, which is really nice. And another cool thing you don't see on a lot of stuff, they have push terminals, right? So that's pretty sweet. An FS are being crossed down to 2200 hertz. That's really nice. That will help you be able to incorporate these very well into like a two-way, okay? Typically when most tweeters, not most, but a lot of tweeters that you're going to run across, they're going to want to be crossed more around 3,000, 3,500, even 4,000 hertz, right? So if you have 4,000 hertz and they're saying you can cross these around 22, that's going to make this incorporate into your woofer very much more easily. So like I said, I got them for about $100 when they came out, or not when they came out, when I got them a while back ago. I think they're up to like $1.25 on sale, which they're on sale right now for $159.99, and their regular asking price for them is $235.99 now. I think it was $200 then and $100 now. It is what it is. I am really wanting to hear what these things sound like. I've been wanting to hear what they sound like. It's just I wasn't quite sure where these were going to fall in line. So anyway, you can go back and you can check out the NVX mid-range that we have lined up. And then just so you know, I'm not going to pan around, but I have a plethora of different speakers, sets, and I'm doing a video on how to set your crossovers in a DSP without doing any type of RTA, any type of measuring or anything. So we're going to model these, those, and a bunch of other stuff together to make a nice video for you guys. So go ahead and check that one out whenever it comes out. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And yeah, hit that notification bell, because I got a bunch of videos lined up down the barrel. I just wanted to get the crossover one done and start letting them rip. All right, until next time, y'all. Peace.